Welcome back to Learn Afrikaans from Zero. You are making real progress. In the last lesson, you learned how to introduce yourself. My naam is, ek is van, aangename kennis. Today we're learning something small but powerful. Yes, no, and polite words. These are the words you will use every single day. Before we start, let's quickly review. Repeat after me. Hallo. Hoe gaan dit? Dit gaan goed, dankie. My naam is. Ek is van. Aangename kennis. Waar kom jy vandaan? Excellent! And remember, clear pronunciation is better than fast pronunciation. Now let's add some very useful small words. In Afrikaans, yes is ja. 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 Let's do a couple of examples. Is jy reg? Ja. Is dit reg? Ja. Very good. No in Afrikaans is nee. 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 Wil jy koffie hê? Nee. Is dit joune? Nee. Excellent. Please in Afrikaans is asseblief. 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 You can use it when asking for something. Koffie, asseblief. Water, asseblief. Help my, asseblief. Very good. You already know this one. Dankie. 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 Dankie vir jou hulp. Dankie vir jou hulp. Dankie vir jou hulp. Dankie. Dit is lekker. Dankie. Dit is lekker. Dankie, dit is lekker. Excellent. Now a very useful phrase. Verskoon my. Verskoon my. This can mean excuse me or sorry or pardon me. Verskoon my. Verskoon my. Verskoon my. You can use it when you bump into someone, you want to get someone's attention, or you didn't hear properly. For example, verskoon my, waar is die badkamer? Verskoon my, waar is die badkamer? Verskoon my, waar is die badkamer? Very practical. How do you say you are sorry in Afrikaans? Ek is jammer. Ek is jammer. Ek is jammer. Ek is jammer, maar ek verstaan nie. Ek is jammer, maar ek verstaan nie. Ek is jammer, maar ek verstaan nie. Another word you can use is sekerlik. 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 Dis 'n plesier. Dis 'n plesier. Dis 'n plesier. When asking for something, you can use the words kan ek. For example, kan ek water kry asseblief? Kan ek water kry asseblief? Kan ek water kry asseblief? Let's add two more useful polite words. Baie dankie. This means thank you very much. Baie dankie. Baie dankie. Geen probleem. This means no problem. Geen probleem. Geen probleem. Geen probleem. Dankie. Geen probleem. Excellent. Now I'll say something and you answer. Ready? Hier is jou koffie. Dankie. Wil jy tee hê? Ja, dankie. Nee, dankie. Kan jy my help? Ja. Very good. Here's a small but important culture tip. Afrikaans speakers really appreciate politeness. Using dankie, asseblief, and baie dankie, even in small situations, makes a big difference. You will often hear dankie ne or baie dankie hoor. Politeness is part of everyday Afrikaans culture. Even simple effort is appreciated. Let's listen to a short conversation.
Hallo,
Hi, koffie asseblief.
hier is jou koffie.
Baie dankie.
Geen probleem.
Now let's listen to the same conversation a bit slower.
Hallo,
Hi, koffie asseblief.
hier is jou koffie.
Baie dankie.
Geen probleem.
Here is another conversation.
Goeiemôre.
Môre,
Kan ek water kry asseblief?
sekerlik.
Baie dankie.
Dis 'n plesier.
Let's listen to it a bit slower.
Goeiemôre.
Môre,
Kan ek water kry asseblief?
sekerlik.
Baie dankie.
Dit is 'n plesier.
Now let's listen to it at normal speed.
Goeiemôre.
Môre,
Kan ek water kry asseblief?
sekerlik.
Baie dankie.
Dis 'n plesier.
Let's repeat some key phrases. Asseblief. Dankie. Baie dankie. Geen probleem. Verskoon my. Sekerlik. Dit is 'n plesier. Kan ek water kry? Excellent! Today you learned many small words that can make a big difference. In the next lesson, we'll start building slightly longer conversations. You are no longer just learning words, you are speaking Afrikaans. Thank you for learning with me. Sien jou volgende keer. See you next time.